These 3 prompt hacks I'm about to give you are going to turn your ChatGPT experience from a chatbot into what feels like a full-blown agent. Now, most people still use GPT like a search engine. However, in this example, the prompt engineers, when they applied these 3 principles, they were able to improve the output of the responses by 20%. The first principle is persistence. You essentially want to tell the model that you want it to keep going until the task is done. So you simply say you're an agent. Please keep going until the user query is completely resolved, and do not prematurely hand back control over to the user. The second principle is tool calling. You do not want it to guess. You do not want it to hallucinate. You want to tell it that if you're not sure about any of the file content or code base pertaining to the request, to use your tools or read the files that it has access to. Do not guess. And then finally, you want it to plan accordingly. So essentially, you want to tell it to plan extensively before the task, but you also want it to do essentially a retro to look back on the task and to tell you what went well and what didn't go well. Those 3 principles, the text may change within them, but essentially the principles are going to give you much better results. If you want access to them, let me know in the comments and I'll send you the actual GitHub so you can read through the whole PDF. Also, as a bonus, if you want to just throw it into a custom GPT and turn it into a prompt sort of guide or a prompt creator, that's probably another good way to use this asset.